Hi there. If you're a guy over the age of 40 and your energy is low, fat loss feels impossible, or your gym workouts have stopped working for you, this problem is not just your age. Believe me, it's your testosterone. I'm Terry. I'm 64 years old, and I help men in their 40s, 50s, and 60s restore testosterone, rebuild strength, and reignite their lives using science-based nutrition, strength training, recovery, and lifestyle strategies. I'm not just guessing, I'm actually living this each and every day right now. I feel stronger, clearer, and more energized now than I did in my 30s by applying the same methods that I teach here on my channel. If you're ready to take back control of your health, your body, and your life, you are in the right place. So stay tuned for today's video. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 biggest testosterone killers men over 40 unknowingly do every single day. Fixing these alone will dramatically improve your testosterone, and this is without using drugs or gimmicks. So if you're a man over the age of 40 and noticing your low energy, your stubborn belly fat, weaker workouts, maybe brain fog, and of course declining libido, you are not alone. Testosterone naturally declines with age, but what most men don't realize is that daily habits accelerate this decline. The problem is not just aging, it's modern lifestyle behaviors that silently crush your testosterone. Many men train harder, eat less, add supplements, and still feel worse. That's because testosterone optimization starts with removing what's killing your testosterone first. Testosterone killer number 1 is your sleep and the quality or lack thereof. Sleep is the foundation of hormone production. Testosterone is primarily produced during deep sleep, especially during your REM cycles. Men who sleep fewer than 6 hours per night can experience 10 to 30% lower testosterone levels, even within 1 week. Why this matters after 40? Sleep quality declines with age. Cortisol rises when sleep is poor. Testosterone production becomes more fragile. How do you fix it? You must aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Eliminate screen time 60 minutes before bed. Keep the room cool and dark. Prioritize consistent sleep-wake times. No supplement can compensate for poor sleep. Testosterone killer number 2 is cortisol and chronic stress. Testosterone and cortisol have an inverse relationship. When cortisol goes up, your testosterone will go down. Work stress, financial pressure, relationship tension, and constant mental stimulation all push cortisol higher, especially after 40. Signs: your cortisol is suppressing your testosterone levels. Your belly fat that won't budge, wired but tired feeling, poor recovery from workouts, low motivation and irritability. How do you fix it? Daily stress management, walking, breath work, meditation. Limit stimulants like caffeine. Avoid constant news and phone notifications. Schedule recovery as intentionally as workouts. Stress management is hormone management. Testosterone killer number 3, believe it or not, is too much exercise or overtraining. So more exercise is not necessarily better after 40. Excessive high-intensity training and long-duration cardio spike cortisol, increases your inflammation, and suppresses your testosterone levels, especially when recovery is insufficient. Common mistakes include daily high-intensity interval training workouts, long-distance running with calorie restriction, no deload weeks, training hard 6 to 7 days per week. How do you fix it? Lift heavy weights, but limit it to 3 to 4 times per week. Keep your cardio short and strategic. Prioritize rest days. Train for stimulus, not exhaustion. The goal is hormonal stimulation, not punishment. Testosterone killer number 4, ultra low fat or ultra low calorie diets. Testosterone is a cholesterol-based hormone. Chronically undereating or eliminating dietary fat is a direct path to testosterone. Many men over 40 try to eat clean their way into fat loss and accidentally shut down their hormone production. Hormone damaging diet patterns include the following: extremely low calories, fat-free diets, skipping protein, fear of red meat or eggs. This is how you fix it. You eat adequate calories for your body size. Include healthy fats, that is eggs, olive oil, and fatty fish. Prioritize your protein at every meal. Avoid prolonged crash dieting. Fat loss happens because of hormonal balance, not starvation. Testosterone killer number 5, insulin resistance and high sugar intake. Insulin resistance is one of the most overlooked testosterone killers in men over 40. High insulin levels reduce testosterone production and increase aromatization. That's the conversion of your testosterone to estrogen. The warning signs are the following: belly fat, energy crashes, sugar cravings, poor fasting blood glucose. This is how you fix it. Reduce your refined carbs and sugar, eat protein first meals, lift weights consistently, consistent intermittent fasting, doing this strategically. You cannot optimize testosterone while ignoring your metabolic health. Okay, testosterone killer number 6. This should be obvious, but maybe it's not, and this is alcohol consumption, even moderate drinking. Alcohol directly suppresses testosterone production and increases estrogen levels. For men over 40, even moderate drinking has a greater hormonal impact than it did when you were in your 20s. Alcohol affects the following. These are the alcohol effects. Increases in your estrogen balance, lowers testosterone, disrupts your sleep patterns, increases belly fat. This is how you fix it. Limit your alcohol to 1 or 2 drinks per week, or eliminate it altogether. Avoid drinking close to bedtime. Replace alcohol with non-alcoholic alternatives. Testosterone optimization requires honest trade-offs. And testosterone killer number 7 is environmental estrogens and endocrine disruptors. Plastics, chemicals, and toxins mimic estrogen and disrupt testosterone signaling. Common sources are plastic water bottles, food containers, personal care products, and household cleaners. This is how you fix it. Use glass or stainless steel containers. Avoid heating food in plastic. Choose natural grooming products. Filter drinking water if possible. You cannot out-supplement toxic exposure. So here's some final thoughts. Remove the killers before adding the boosters, okay? So most men over 40 on what to add. Supplements, workouts, protocols, but testosterone optimization begins with what you remove first. Fix these 7 testosterone killers and your energy will improve, your fat loss will accelerate, your strength will come back, your libido rebounds, mental clarity improves, and this is the foundation of the Warrior Male method. So there you have it. If you fix these 7 testosterone killers, everything else works better. Your training, your nutrition, supplements, sleep and recovery, and your overall lifestyle. By the way, you can grab my free Quick Start T-Boosting checklist. Just click on the link in the description below. It's packed full of information. It'll get you started on your testosterone optimization journey today. Subscribe for weekly testosterone optimization strategies in my future videos for men aged 40 to 60 plus. So remember this, guys, take care of yourself, because if you don't, nobody else will. Have a great day.